Introducing the brand new Bobcat B900 backhoe loader. A durable, reliable and an efficient backhoe loader launched by the global compact equipment leader Bobcat. The Bobcat B900 backhoe loader is powered by proven 76 horsepower turbocharged Kirloskop engine that is trustworthy and reliable. Backhoe make tandem hydraulic pump delivering 121 liter per minute. Hydraulic flow at 2200 RPM is highly efficient. Synchro shuttle transmission with 4 forward and 4 reverse speed functions delivers smooth performance. It can reach a forward top speed of 40 km per hour. Center pivoted steering axle with balanced type cylinder ensures good controllability of steering movement. The oscillation angle of 16 degree helps in handling uneven terrains comfortably. One of the highlights of the B900 backhoe loader is the heavy-duty Carraro axle. This offers best-in-class torque and drawbar pull. The B900 has hydraulically actuated quick-fill service brake for maximum performance and comes with 2 independently working foot pedals for good maneuverability in the confined workspace. One of the big advantages of the B900 is faster cycle time, which results in higher efficiency and increased productivity. Bobcat B900 backhoe loader is proud to offer the best-in-class digging depth. It also has the highest reach of 5,728 mm at ground level. Equipped with powerful bucket tear-out force, B900 easily performs in tough work conditions. It also has an equally impressive arm tear-out force. The higher bucket curl angle of backhoe is designed to retain more material. Bobcat B900 backhoe loader delivers maximum performance in loader operations and provides higher productivity. It has a better profile design for retaining more material and reducing spillage. The higher bucket curl angle facilitates more efficient material handling and front digging. One more advantage of the Bobcat B900 backhoe loader is its maximum breakout force, resulting powerful and efficient loader operating performance. Effective weight distribution gives it good traction and excellent stability. The front wheel steering has been designed with a short turning radius, making it comfortable for the operator while working and driving. With excellent ground clearance, operate without worrying about getting stuck. The unique side cutting profile of the backhoe bucket gives you the perfect finish, saves time and operating cost. The backhoe side shift allows for efficient backhoe operation by increasing the working range. To save fuel, set the engine speed at 1,400 RPM for economy mode. When in need to power, increase the engine RPM to 1,550 RPM to move to power mode and achieve higher productivity. Bobcat B900 backhoe loader. The next big thing by Bobcat.